Welcome. In this video, we'll cover saving and sharing your searches with others. After I've run my search and I'm happy with the results, I'll want to save it to access it more easily in the future. When saving a search, I also have the option to use the search parameters to set up an email alert schedule or to add the search to one of my dashboards. This ensures that I never miss out on any information about the topics and companies I'm monitoring. I can access this search and all of my saved searches at any time by clicking here. As a best practice, I like to save my searches once I've narrowed them down with the right keywords, content filters, and companies to get the results I'm looking for. I can always rerun any previously saved search and see all the new documents released. And if I ever need to adjust my search, I simply rerun the search with my new criteria and save the changes. I even have pre-made industry-specific and sample searches available to jumpstart my research. If I ever need to share this search with my team, I can do so by clicking here and sending the link to my colleagues. With the ability to easily save and share my searches, I reduce the time it takes getting the results I'm looking for, and I can use that time to focus more on gathering insights for my research. Thanks for watching.